the foundation, universe. That is again due to me under the universe,
which was founded by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. You can't hear me?
No.
Okay. I need to lift this up, His Holiness says. He's the expert on microphones. I'm delighted to have this opportunity to speak to discuss the Dharma with you at the invitation of the Foundation for Universal Responsibility, which was founded and is led by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I can't really translate the Foundation for Universal Responsibility in Tibetan. It comes out as something like taking responsibility for the whole world, which I guess is okay. In any case, I'm delighted to be here.
I stopped recording because I wasn't sure if the counter is not going, so I didn't know if it's actually taping. So I stopped and I played back, and that's why I wanted to catch, but they made a mistake of it.
Now, today, the做茶叶的年纪，2年多了，就是做这个第一个人。The main thing that I intend to address or discuss today is the practice of love and compassion. 다 정말 있는지 시에 책이 정말 있는지 시에 책이 사람다. 다 정말 있는지 시에 봤지. 아주 남주 아주 다 미세나 좋아하나 그중에 그중에 고토용 대한 공용 봐야 이제 봐야 어떻게 정하고 돼야 지구성을 따라서 지구에 대해서 나도 주의에 대해서 이제 같이 시작이요.
The words love and compassion refer to things that we feel throughout our lives, that are always with us, and that are extremely familiar to us.
대유사는 잠바는 인지세에 책이 아주 강하게 영어를 가지고네 아주 그냥 배워야지. 아니면 잠바는 인지 원래 특성이면 굉장히 잠바는 인지세가 아주 대해서 강해요. 이 지금에 굉장히 잠바는 인지계가 나를 지하나 아주 큰 시험을 시험해라고 해요. 들려드리지 않고 make effort. 다들 소화해요. 내 인주사는 this guy.
However, as familiar as we may be with the words love and compassion, and as frequently as we may use them, to actually give rise to true love and true compassion involves more than these common words imply by themselves. Giving rise to these things is not as easy as talking about them and requires effort.
가르치는 저거는 인지라면 제가 미투비에 미투미 미게게 그래서 안에 제가 다대야 미투비에 게대야 치가게 이제는 남긴 가게 장비가 나 장비가 뭐 세당다 다나신 세당 내봐 다나신 작동 내봐 대선 내봐 이제 관에 인지 방문을지 계획 해야지 가보자고 하면서 그랬잖아. 이제 이 용어가 돼서 싫어요 말에 저기 신규래요래 신규래 예배 최대도 신규래 여성보다 성경 예배 최대도 돼서 나는 가난도 구하네 성화마다 가난도 구하네 내가 맞아 같이 내리 삼록 많이 같이 다니는데 누구야?
Why is it more difficult to develop true love and compassion than to simply speak of them? It's because in order to cultivate these, we need to first transform those adverse conditions within us which inhibit their development. As I said, these conditions that are adverse to this development are not external. They are internal. They are within us. They are kleshas such as hatred, jealousy, and desire. It is difficult, relatively speaking, to develop a compassion and a love that is completely free of these, because these kleshas are present within our minds that are not really external to us. It is therefore harder to get rid of them than it is to get rid of mere external adversity. Unless we turn inward and work on ourselves internally, as long as we fail to do that and are focused only on externals, it's very difficult to develop true love and compassion.
다지단 나와상계에 최초 인지력을 잡아 중국어가 있어. 인지력을 잡아서 이상 인지 시절을 제 인지 시절이야 제 중앙에 상계과학을 단추 유지하다 대남 배급수 조다 인지 자원제决定이 가르쳐서나 생진 장수수 칸다 내가다 장수수 내고다 참 아디 계시고 생진 장수수 강해봐 계시고 이번에 지다야 삼성지 니주이네 니주가 공부니도 니주 이미야 생진 유시 생진 내가 내도 되나 뭐 틀리면은 니주당 양다가 있네요. 근데现很多的引律中国也是翻译中华线上路线大约了大约了这边中华这个是一个发没办法上去这一赛按照那些神经闲了这个 太麻烦了，甚至是全下做片，那个你这种小事，
In general, we could say about all of Buddha's teachings, all of what we now call Buddhism, that it is based upon and always emphasizes compassion. It is based upon compassion in the sense that the Buddha's teachings, in his giving of them, and in his giving of certain teachings at certain times to certain persons, was based entirely upon the fine distinctions among individuals which arise through the observation of a compassionate eye. That is to say that the Buddha taught always in ways that conform to the dispositions, the interests, and the specific situations of those specific beings to whom he was teaching at that time. Therefore, in cases where, as sometimes occurred, a direct explanation of the nature of things, emptiness and so forth, when such a direct explanation would not be helpful, the Buddha did not give it. Therefore, we find in some of the Buddha's teachings that he would say such things as the self exists, because by saying this, he was being of the greatest possible benefit to those specific beings whom he was teaching at that time. So therefore, the point behind all of the Buddha's teachings was a compassionate conformance to the actual needs of beings.
다 대단히 지난 배추와 인지를 비춰서 다 되나요? 다 되는 유산에 인지해야지. 도저히 좀 되나. 기본 지금 방금 내고요. 문제는 인지해야지. 계속 인지해. 그냥 인지 상관이 되죠. 계속 인지 같이다. 인지 가능. 같이다 스비산다. 봐. 와. 세계신 동에 미국 미국에 근데 대외적으로 상대적인 거기나 아니 가서 받겠자 이제 원했자 아니 장 인지하고 가사를 미래가 수미 전이 동에 전들 나머지 로스게 무슨 빠데 민중 자로 그래서 내가 뭐라 민중기 삼바다 인지 삼바디 애네들 가서지 카파다 수다 그런 거에서 한도나 정가상이 그거 수준이 감지하고 아주 자와 이렇게 인지 나머지가 나는 동해를 제대로 삼바 난 들리지는 않게 도리 동해를 제대로 삼바 파 상방이냐 제선전의 상방이냐 인지사 줄 가사를 줄 상방이니 왜 이런 소식이고
Because in that way, Buddha Dhamma is distinguished by compassion, we can say that any vehicle or yana of Buddhism is essentially taught and practiced through the motivation of one or another type of compassion. And this is equally true of what we conventionally call both the lesser and the greater vehicles. The only distinction we can make between these different motivations is what we could call an outwardly focused compassion and an inwardly focused compassion. By outwardly focused compassion, I mean the observation of other suffering and the resultant seeking of a remedy for that suffering of others, which is what we conventionally call compassion. But when this same seeking of a remedy for suffering is focused inwardly, the observation of one's own suffering and the seeking of a remedy for that, that is another type of compassion, what we could call inwardly focused compassion or renunciation. So therefore, the motivations for the path of renunciation and compassion really differ only by the one being inwardly focused and the other being outwardly focused. But both are fundamentally the same in that they are the wish to free a being or beings from suffering and its causes. When this wish is applied to or focused on others, we call it compassion. When it is applied to oneself, we call it renunciation.
这里就多发现了那里啊，这就是什么的呀？叫日数的下来就是，大家呀，让月下，先月下，你月下，但是就是啥呢？让给，你月住的，让他先一个。那人的前面住的，他们也让别住的，他看不到个，那他这个全就是什么让别住的，这类的，就是什么让别住的，就是那边说，那我在前面在让别住是那样，这两个的让我对我先对那边东西，这就算了叫，这就是啥？但多呢，我们人与对我相关的开始，这样这就是什么？我有突出啊，就是我们这个人与对我不难了，这边，这也没有，也就是啥？但多呢，我们这。就结果，但这类就前一段结果，你就是说这种，那这多呢？而且也是啥的，让了再往前，而且就先了再往前的，开始差距了，完了这个让和中间加出来，后面，那就中间顺着那里，你注意的是好好些的，让的呀，再往。让的这给完了别就下来。
In fact, we can distinguish three types of bodhisattvas. We can say there are those who primarily accomplish their own benefit, those who primarily accomplish the benefit of others, and those who accomplish the benefit of none. Can you not hear? I have to lean forward more. Can you hear now? Are you? Is it this sound, the broadcast sound, or this one?
It's
Both. In fact, even among bodhisattvas, there are three types. Those who primarily accomplish their own benefit, those who primarily accomplish the benefit of others, and those who accomplish the benefit of both. In this context, it is said that the best type of bodhisattva is one who accomplishes the benefit of both. Second best are those who accomplish the benefit of others, and least are those who accomplish the benefit of themselves. I suppose we could say that those bodhisattvas who accomplish the benefit of themselves are referring to beginners like ourselves. Now, we might normally think that such a person who is primarily involved with accomplishing their own benefit is not a bodhisattva at all. However, if we look at this in a broader context, we must recognize that without attaining oneself, one cannot possibly effectively tame others. So therefore, even though one may be immersed in the bodhisattva vehicle, one must begin by taming oneself. And that is therefore the principal concern of a beginning or beginner bodhisattva. And I think that this classification refers to this principle. In the beginning, we simply must attain ourselves, which means that as important as it is to be kind to others, it is equally important to begin by being kind to ourselves, by recognizing that we, like other beings, are immersed in the ocean of samsara and must be liberated from it.
아주 매일 유진 사고 싶어요. 매일 유진. 랑도 제트 남주 남주가 제트 매일 유진 사고 싶어요. 매일 유진 사고 싶어요. 근데 아주 미지디 별매야. 이제 서스리는 서스 이제 통해 되어야 이제 변화되는 지가 그래서 이제 통해 계속 시작해서 이제 다 대한 통화를 라면이야 그렇지 아저씨네 라신 회계에 엔지 로게 지내 집에서 나도 너무게 지방 미주 먼저시 먼저라에 다르시 다음 그런 저집에 나와야지 가장 유지가 그 성신적으로 이제 그래야 소화계의 이제 나오냐 랑의 정신 통화 지금 랑의 정신은 다 연구된 주시네 당대 스텝이야, 당대 나주시야, 주주야매. 그런데 아저씨인지, 그주인의 치, 뭐보다, 벤조, 계속 전도 년에 이제수다. 이제 주주대의 유산에 계제슈대, 남들랑, 세어 통화지하고, 남들랑 이제 인물력을 제가. 이렇게 해줍시다.
Nevertheless, the beginning bodhisattva, who principally is accomplishing their own benefit, is not doing so because they have in any way rejected the benefiting of others. They're doing it because they recognize realistically that they cannot immediately do something about this.
Yeah.
Is that better?
No. 저랑 제 숨도
I'm just concerned it's going to produce feedback. Is that better?
Yes. Yes.
All right, then I have to take this off. This is very comfortable. Nevertheless, the beginning bodhisattva, who is primarily concerned with the accomplishment of their own benefit, is not doing so because they have in any way rejected the benefiting of others. It is rather because they have realistically recognized that they cannot immediately, in their present state, accomplish great benefit for others, although it is their aspiration to do so. And they therefore pursue the path, initially bringing about their own benefit, and then the benefit of others with great diligence. I think this point is very important, that we begin with a kindness to ourselves. We have been born with excellent human bodies, by which I mean especially that we have been born in a species that has the intelligence to make moral choices. Therefore, with this opportunity, it is especially important that we not waste our lives in either meaningless endeavors or in trivialities. First, we must begin by being kind to ourselves, by recognizing the presence within us of adventitious obscurations with which we were nevertheless born in this life, and especially that in this 21st century we are so busy and so distracted by our lifestyles and our present technology that we seem to have come farther than ever from a stance of seeing our own nature. It is as though in our present way of living we have no time or opportunity to look at our own minds. We only hanker after and seek external benefit, the use of external technology and luxury, and so on. In this context, therefore, I think it is especially important that we begin by being kind to ourselves. In fact, we could say that it is equally important in the long run for our own good and for the good of others that we are initially kind to ourselves. But in this context, we must ask the question, what is actually going to do us good? What can we do that will actually be of benefit to ourselves? Certainly, it is obvious that for us to callously and selfishly ignore the welfare of others and attempt to achieve our own well-being doesn't really help us. In fact, it harms us. We therefore have to think deeply about this. We need to reflect upon what is of true benefit to ourselves carefully. Because at this point, it may be quite unclear to us. We may in fact be quite bewildered and unsure about what will actually do us real and lasting good. I think, therefore, that the starting point of being kind to ourselves and cultivating compassion for ourselves is to clear up this mystery.
저게 나와. 아주 하고는 나 근데 전에 한도나 로로는 지거야 대중이가 내주를 거의 있는 것도 소소데 양도랑에 문제세하고 나와가 근데 양도랑이야 문제 때문에 나는 지금 유놈 세고 중이야 근데 제가 보면 뭐도 중요하고 인지해야지 이제 잘해야 여기 보면 중요한데 이게 사실 미래에 남기는 걸 계속 인지를 하고
We usually begin this process with what are called the four reversals or four turnings of the mind, which are commonly explained as the contemplation of the difficulty of acquisition of the freedom and resources of this precious human body, the contemplation of death and impermanence, the contemplation of karma, and the contemplation of the defects of samsara. In the instruction in these contemplations, a great deal is taught. With respect to the first, the fundamental idea is that this situation in which we have been born is unique. It is rare, it is hard to get, and in fact, it is only available here in this world, although I can't particularly comment on how that might conflict with Western ideas about the universe. In any case, the root of these four contemplations is to gain a practical and realistic understanding of oneself and one's own situation. Upon having done so, one can then begin the assiduous cultivation of love and compassion. I therefore think it's important to begin with these contemplations.
나는 셴들이야. 너나 더도데 계속서 더도 계속돼. 셴명 통일에. 나는 유사 선제 생기는 자리. 어제 그것을 제가 나가 미유세라다 그게 토도로지 선제 생기는 거예요. 상계의 자리에 선제 생기를 제대로 파토를 그려야지. 아무래도 컨제계를 보마 그런 얘기가 그냥 그거도 제대로 그려야지 되고. 나는 그 전주서거든. 아까 선제적인데 선제 생기를 그려와서 나 신매로 나 신성이 매를 전주서거든. 그래서 고아나 대화 얘기했어. 고아나 대화 얘기해서 가르쳐. 나 선제생이 변도 비주얼이 있네. 아니 되게 저도 그 주제 대의 주사는 아직 고아나 고려내고 하는데 선제생을 주야지 여기 있나? 그 주는 데에나 아 제주 선제 그가 좋아. 그런 게 세련 가능이 있는데 저도 여기 주사 고아나 대화 아니 내려다 제주서 인도처럼 그 소리 있나? 하는 거 고아대야 동네 이해를 시험해 내외를 시험해 가대야 고로지 내 주사는 제주서 먹고지 유아야 30로 안에 쓰거래야 교실이야 이런 가르쳐 뭐 그거 먹는지 얘기인데 고아는 거의 승진을 안 되고 그거 먹는지 얘기인사 얘는 뒤 제주서 우주는 30로 교실이야 내 주디 준세 때는 너랑 코아나 코어이네요. 아니 대화에 봐요. 디기 와요. 근데 그렇지 않아요. 그래서 내 정주도 쓰면 괜찮아. 잡아들이는 그냥 괜찮은데. 잡아들이는지도 무슨 일이냐네 여기나. 이제 코아나 보여내고나 대화에 와요. 저는 디기를 제가 디기하여서 아까 디기를 내면 수화해요. 디기는
Now, the ultimate aim of this path. Can you hear me? Gone out. Can you hear me now?
Now, he's a good job for them.
Did also.
You would kindly keep the book below the microphone, polish and you get a thick book.
Put something to make it higher. I know, that's what I wanted, but I don't have it.
Thick book. Some thick book.
There are many outside the room.
Outside the room. He said. Okay, don't let somebody not somebody. That. C'est ça. Il a dit, more. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Oh. Oh.
How is that? It's better? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, there is another one.
Okay. Nevertheless, the ultimate aim of this path is, of course, the benefit of others. And it is the achievement of benefit for others that is the final goal of all bodhisattvas who practice Mahayana. Even in their wish to achieve Buddhahood, their motivation for its achievement is only the benefit of others. We could say, in fact, that for the bodhisattvas, they have no goal whatsoever other than the benefiting of others. Because of that, it is said that these courageous bodhisattvas are happy, even in samsara. Why? Because since their only aim, their only concern, is to be of benefit for others, and since they can achieve that most effectively by remaining in samsara, since therefore by remaining in samsara they bring about the achievement of their only aim or goal, they are happy to do so. It is therefore said that for such courageous bodhisattvas, samsara can be a state of happiness and not one of misery at all. And it is for this reason and in this way that many bodhisattvas take continuous intentional rebirth in samsara, because by doing so, they encounter so many opportunities to be directly of benefit to beings. And even though they are technically in samsara, they are happy. This possibility of happiness while still in samsara comes from the practice or cultivation of love, compassion, and bodhicitta. Therefore, if we practice them, we can achieve a state of happiness in this life and a state of happiness while in samsara.
전수소원하기 현주행기 지혜도 현주체에 대해서 상계 공부 전능 예보에 주세 그래서 난가 어떤 대로 시험이나 지당에 딱 의미 있고 코안에 타와 정식 코안에 타야지 양대 잠시 동의 타와 정식이죠 맞아요 코안에 타야지 마토도요하네. 이제 고안의 탈성시는 이름이 제주성 보고요. 어느 내 물산에 이래야 어디 장지고 고안의 탈성시 등도. 현실적인 나라인데 고안동에 이자도요. 장지고 그 동에다 제대로 어디 조진세인이 대범의 지가 하나씩 디버시비이 전주성이 양면시의 의리야 아주 성한도 거라서 선제 단지 양도 방법을 주고 매 선제 단지 양이 나와야 전기降嘛 사다 인베 예전에다 진진이 선제가 현재 동행이 되더라 요 어번들의 주 얘네가 말아 마시 나가지고 거기도 내기 그렇지 내가 그 시대 전에 되는 딱히 진행 원자 내가 다시 말을 마찬가지지 다시 지나가산다 근데 지금 여러분이 주가가 된거 여러분 주가가 된거 내 비교세가 되네 다 계시 내가 여러분이 양대를 쳐보려 양대 장면 양대 여러 상황을까 양대 상보 양대 여러분 쳐보려면 현재 생기 전에 제가 구도 얼마나 신경 그거 저어스 아 근데 이제 현재 생기 전에 좋아라 이 시간에 이제 현재 상황 삼바지 요 말에 뭐지 요 말에 알아지 대한 남캐테레 남캐테도 무슨 일 남짓에 무슨 남캐 삼비지가 남지 그래 미히마 대나주 유니버스 대나주들이 유니버스는 나는 갤럭시 가져야를 다디지 대지봉이야를 불리는데 지금 마무시해주사는 나도 지금 고배우가 그래도 선제에서 비싼다 이남게 삼지미제가 남게 태도가 삼지미제 상상 아주 왜 삼지미제가 사지냐고 다 장가 잡아도 돼 가진 좀 지dom도 제메도 phong 잡아 이제 여기 로고 나다 아들이 삼지미제가 제일 아 내주 선제남이 몇가더 준비 전주가다 최저로 잡아 그나마 탐지의 계획 이시행으로 시 시자 탐지의 계획 시자 탐지의 계획 시제 취약 탐지를 노리게 시제 취약 탐지를 노리면 선제가 타면 유산 대단 탐지 로는 너가 참 최저 도마 전주도마 다음에 왜 태도를 선제 탐지가 나한테 친해 나한테 친해 켜두고 말했어 나무 탐지 때문에 20명이네 나무 탐지 때문에 20이 지제 취약 탐지를 켜두고 인상 뒤에 친해야 돼야 지제 취약 탐지를 켜두고 근데 이제 뒤에 괜찮을 때는 나무 탐지 때문에 상계사 저는 이거 해주고 네
We might ask, why are bodhisattvas so concerned with benefiting of others? Why, in fact, do they seek only perfect, omniscient Buddhahood and seek that only for the benefit of others? After all, it is possible that they could, without bodhicitta, without seeking omniscient Buddhahood, simply through the realization of emptiness, achieve nirvana, achieve liberation from samsara, and free themselves from suffering. This is quite possible. Well, why don't they do this? The reason is that when someone achieves their own personal or individual nirvana through the realization of emptiness, but without the generation of bodhicitta, while they have indeed achieved that state beyond suffering for themselves, it is only for themselves. And they have, in achieving that, abandoned any attempt to help or rescue all of the innumerable other beings who remain immersed or drowning in the ocean of samsara. From the point of view of the Mahayana, from the point of view of a bodhisattva, this is, to say the least, unfitting. Because, according to the Mahayana, all beings without exception have, throughout beginningless time, been of immeasurable kindness to us in innumerable ways. With that in mind, it's obvious that to abandon them to a state of potentially endless suffering is utterly unfitting, base, even ignoble. So therefore, if we want to achieve a state of liberation and nirvana that is noble, we need to accept responsibility for the benefiting of others. Now, the reason why the benefiting of others requires the achievement of omniscient Buddhahood is that beings are extremely vast in number, and each and every being is slightly different from all others in their individual thinking, their individual wishes, their makeup, and so on. Furthermore, beings exist throughout all space and are therefore beyond number. For example, just as we say nowadays that there are billions and billions of galaxies throughout the universe, in the same way, there is an inconceivable number of sentient beings. This word inconceivable has many practical uses. It is sometimes very comforting to when you have to talk about very high numbers and you don't really know exactly how many, to simply say, well, the number is inconceivable or innumerable. In any case, in order to effectively benefit all beings, one needs to possess that omniscient wisdom which is only achieved through Buddhahood, which can, because it literally knows everything, know the exact needs, dispositions, makeup, and thinking of each and every being to be benefited. Only with that omniscient wisdom can one fulfill the unique aspirations and wishes of each being. Only with that omniscient wisdom can one, by knowing everything, engage in activity that is literally as vast and all-encompassing as space itself. One can't do these things without knowing everything, and that is why bodhisattvas seek Buddhahood.
他人的上发现，他不没有我的，上夜山的康萨这个就缺上的天山的马甸，他是罗马上，你这个在缺上的是天山的，然后是呢，民众这个上山的了吧，民众，啊，都也把其中这个总结叫这个，那缺上的，罗的需要考虑下去。 아이네가 디나네 맞아 나베시아디 선사디 세시리 세리부터 니즈가 썼습니다. 시제스도 산 우유도 차로 로유도 차로 주 시제스 감지가 우유도 차로 니즈 차례 제가 那个呢，谢谢去，他们这落雨的茶果有山，但在这里，落雨的情景落盛况，那个谢谢没有这种，谢谢没有说，就两边的之前谢谢有，所以呢，盛年谢谢没有不，他说人家呢，我还是判断的他自己。 我觉得可以，这就是好的。当然是那圣经却他们这个，但是内容多，看啥的多少呢？大概都做的圣经。你圣经恐怕特别高的呀，你那多几个神，你觉得能做多几个神来着？你这对的呀，就落入强的学习啊，那就对于情景落入情景里。 로스 소득이 하면 내가 뭐냐면 내가 뭐냐면 가사 소리야 아거나 쉐는 지지로 정리를 해. 아무리 정리를 하면 유산다 제대로 로테랑 안에 랑선에 가고 로지 그거 유산은 이제 쉐 한제 무슨 무슨 유산 상계에 确认的特别是啊，就是从民族这个，你今天把有点那个这个，他从我写的要的啥，你这上面说马达，做的那个落写吧，这些这个意思，但是这个话呢，但是这些这上面单位呢，这些是什么？从突然的，然后实 serious almost. I did. Yeah,
existence of limits or size to the mind. According to the Buddha Dhamma, the mind is limitless. It is immeasurable. We can measure the brain, we can define the limits of the brain, but we cannot in that way measure or define the limits of the mind. Furthermore, we define things as knowables, that is to say, as objects of mind. Now, the connection between these two is the following. When we say that someone has achieved realization, that they have realized the nature of all things, what we really mean is that that person's mind has come to a realization of the nature of all things. In the specific case of a Buddha, one of the attributes of Buddhahood is that the way things appear and the way things are, or their true nature, are no longer different or distinct from one another. As is said, they have the same taste or the same flavor. Now, since that nature of all things, which is the object of realization, is at the same time the nature of the mind that realizes it, and since in the state of Buddhahood, that nature is no longer any different from the ways in which it appears, therefore, the mind of a Buddha is inseparable from, or we could say has mixed with, all appearances. Another way of saying this is that all things have become direct objects of knowledge before a Buddha. Although we may have trouble understanding or even accepting the idea of omniscience when we think of it as fitting everything into a human brain, I think if we approach it in the way of understanding the mixing of the nature of things and the mode of appearances of things, we'll be able to understand it better.
다른 거나 다른 주제 상계에서는 다른 나도 디스커스까지 다시에는 전제신 분도데 그래서 가라하고 다들 주산 다들 다당 나와서 이 상계에서 상계 공간 뭐 소요만 되냐 아디 춘시에서 살아가고 아디 영화들은 주요의 주산 那哪怕是说春节的这些，哪怕是说大的点我，那这个呢是呢，生鲜鲜的就这个呢，生鲜鲜的，落叶天晚上，热的天晚上，啊那些中国的人啊，就好像这个习近差，落好像习近差有关，这就是大家民族好多，那呢，本来那这个。 우리가 예술 망고지 알아. 예술 망고도 지금 그냥 아주 시진 차에 관해 나 우리 내가 같이 친구에 봐. 아나지 우리 보냐 아 이거네 때문에 망고지 중에다 같이 와. 아니 좀 아주 진짜세. 하고 알아. 도도 친구 알아. 아 고주시 유일신데 하这哈古罗我们说什么的，哈国呀，没水没线，现在这个要的，但是你说没水往过去了，今年的现在没水没线什么啊？现在这边呢，那就是他把统计下来，那么呀，让成都年。 这个主要是大的要买，当时就113年到多少的他说是吗？25是吗？长把的你新一轮第二个是啊，按照的身体，我来这里就身边统计了，我军身边统计就全中啊，这么容易了，这老师也为呢，那就是身边统计啊，那我跟这个那个。 因为这年大两个月，你知道我就是还是大型建，最近产业过来，好多用来吃过来的，也是其他的。
As auspicious and pleasant as it may be to speculate about and discuss the meaning of the omniscience of the Buddha, it is at the same time rather difficult to talk about since we've not achieved it. We are on the way, or with the intention of achieving it. Now, on this way, there should arise some indication of moving in the right direction toward this achievement. This could be things as the ability to understand subtle things, such as an empathetic understanding of other beings' thinking, their aspirations, and so on, which I suppose we could say is analogous to the understanding of subtle things that modern science has brought us nowadays. At the same time, a mere understanding of these things without knowing a knowledge of how to implement them for the benefit of others could not really be an authentic sign of the path. So I think it's important that we think very carefully about this and understand that essentially the path consists of the cultivation of love and compassion and bodhicitta, and that being inseparable from these is the most authentic sign of pursuing that.
This woman,
Got it all wrong.
wrong, but
Little bit.
half. Yes, sir. And so we go to the wrong. The science is a matter. And news, evidence is who you be me to say, Anaji and me, Energy, Neham begins in Chichi. Anaji is Sajena, Sajala Soba, movie. That tell us on the Jungle. I didn't need to know the Jungo, Ninja, Ade, Sasana, but it's in the area. Italia, Miju Chumba Italia, that interest is those taking action. Was Tashi Chana, if Sangi, number 7 Glenade, get to
What I really said was that I wasn't talking about science. There are a lot of things to be known, or things we can hear about or find out about in the world, such as the things that we hear or read in the news, present concerns with the environment and the state of the environment of this world, the existence of the various epidemics which plague this world, the presence of famine and other adverse conditions. There's a lot of this. But if we simply know about or learn about these things and do nothing about them, that's not enough. We could hear about something and say, oh, such and such thing has happened. That's unfortunate. And then leave it as that, as mere knowledge. That is not enough. We have to actually take action.
Then you sound that better sound that. I don't know, the only Chulu. The Nabe Chulu, the Chasavine, now Nase, Chutada. It's school, lineage. Given down here. Mamma, that's all the. Yes, some of the and some of the million of the Khasa. The new reality, some of the 오늘 내주 타 내려와 상마 세제 fungi 머리 미버데 봐 써도 빵이 오늘 내주 타 내려와 이 좋아 핀중기 참지 자바티죠 당도 봐 미르도 또 제대서 미르 이제 레네 이나야 미르 이번에 진짜 나서 수신도 다와다 제가 수신 안에 따로 좋지 이제 저야 이제 방안다 쓰는 거 보면 아도 나도 제가 안 소수하게 되는 그거다 내가 안 소수하게 받았다 루피라 내가 대바체 내가 샴바체 잠깐만 이제 대바다 샴바 축체사 팔사 아나 대바체에 쇼도 안에 샴바 고자슈 좀 딱 보는 말이 그냥 어떻게 이제 언제 전에 이제가 반도다 그래지 주로 이제 안 나는 이제 가서 유바지 이제 반도 아니 요정망고 중에 유망보다 더 식신들이 더 챌린지 선수가 챌린지 빼면 무슨 망고스에서 망고스 영화에 이내야 동동이한테 이 하고요만 챌린지 미망보다 강에 제가 뒤도 뭐니 줄 강에 제가 아마 어디 동동이한테 셴바로 이제 제 대한테 가르쳐나 줄로도 유바프랑 드버를 잘 가사 지올라 근데 줄로다 유바프랑 드버를 잘 dim 뭐니 제시를 과하고 드리고 근데 지금 아무도 얘들 주는지만 줄로도 유바까지나 상에 뭐니 줄라 같이 방아지가 머리 민바의 서도 동안 좋아 편중이 참전 자바디 시서도 동안 근데 제가 민주 대중한테 아주 이 당내에서 민주 남주 로주 이 당내 오늘 민주 통례 통안에 나서서지 주요가 이번에 대화는 여러 차례 계속을 하고 민중이 오늘 민주래야 민중 이랑 대외시아도 공부 민주산 디펜덴 당도나 아주 남과 이면 상식이 에너지 인지 신고인가 전통화 아니 근데 이제 민원 상식이 맛을 그렇지 오늘 이제 당도 신규의 인지로 나와
For example, in this world, there are many different religions or spiritual traditions. Even within Buddhism, there are many different systems, lineages, and schools. I think the main aim of all of these traditions is to bring about a recognition of authentic reality, to bring us closer and closer to direct knowledge of how things really are, to remove the darkness of our ignorance, and to bring us closer to one another, to give us a greater empathy and greater understanding for one another. However, while this is the essential aim of all traditions, and therefore must therefore be the aim of whatever tradition we practice ourselves, we are often unable to implement the authentic intention, outlook, and behavior prescribed by our tradition. We may, in fact, have great faith in our own tradition, but sometimes this faith can become warped. It can become too narrowly focused on our own particular tradition, so that our excessive or excessively narrow faith in our own tradition causes us to denigrate other traditions. And this has led to a challenging circumstance of disputation and actual conflict between religions and between assistance within religious traditions. In spite of the fact that this should be obvious by this point, nevertheless, we may continue to act in such a way that we further this kind of conflict and disputation. We do so, again, not because our tradition in its actuality is not because this is the intention of our actual tradition, but because we have become obscured by the narrowness of our own faith and by our resultant sectarianism. The point of spirituality is to bring us together, not split us apart. To bring us together in a united and mutual understanding and knowledge. So therefore, I think it's important that we have faith with open eyes and not faith with eyes squeezed tightly shut. Just being a Buddhist does not guarantee that you will have great love and compassion. The name Buddhist, knowing the words love and compassion, these things are not enough.
Oh, yeah. 네, 유자는 거나也说那些让外的名字，名字是就啥呢？然后当做就让人让的basic 看下面，现在看下面这样，没现在的这个，他说你这个现在是，但他说的就看下面了，俺这本来生育面了，就生育的基本上一下，那个基本上这个是那个呢，现在生育面基本上我来打钱有么说法，他呢当年呢，他上的叔叔的就约了钱，那就约了他的这些呢，这些给他查出来他那个先就想，那就是那就算地球这个点呢，当然就他的上我是他不是说是，或者是先捐钱，应急是就啥呢？首先先给，就他上天干嘛，这个就是主要的，因为呢，应急啥的呢？就是应急，而且现在他们国外中间的，他说国外中间的那个就是现在嘛，就应急公了的。现在其他厂国外中间的那，然后就国外中间的那个面呢，那应急嘛，公安这个的，因为啊，人家国外中间的那个人呢，看到是国外的上班，人家国外中间的那个要。另一三地就是现在让国外中间的他的目前给不了的，让等到呢，是这个米，目前这个概念是我的银股大，人性银股主要的是，而且银股下的，当然的300的交挖什么，300的交挖，哪年都300的真的啥的。然后就主要哪年到底呢？人性的嘛，就邻国吃不也得这样，因为开始不行，人性差距话的，所以你就这点让了这话，拿到来拖来，现在这话，让来怕不已经这话钱嘛，开始下来，没事。
Returning to the idea of kindness to oneself as an aspect of compassion, one thing about this is that if one attempts to cultivate compassion for others, love for others, without having compassion and love for oneself, one will have no basis within oneself for that cultivation. It's a little bit like trying to donate or give money to others when you have no money to give. In order to give, you first have to acquire what it is you wish to give. In the same way, in order to be able to cultivate genuine compassion for others, we must start by cultivating compassion for ourselves. Now, when we use the word compassion, we often think that it refers exclusively to compassion for others. But in fact, this is not necessarily the case. In this context, we define compassion as the wish to liberate all beings who are within samsara. Now, if we were not ourselves beings immersed in samsara, there would be no need for us to include ourselves in that compassion. It would be fine to only have compassion for others. But since we are ourselves still within samsara, we qualify as objects of our own compassion, just as much as others do. And therefore, I think that we have a responsibility both to take care of others and to take care of ourselves. If we accept this dual responsibility in both our thinking and our actions, we will be able to fulfill it. Which includes the fact that if we cultivate kindness to and love for ourselves, we will on that basis be able to have even more love for others.
Question, answer. No question.
Holiness, if I could sort of the moderator's privilege and ask the first question. That you've been talking about the importance of loving kindness to oneself, along with the manifestation of loving kindness and compassion to others. I think that in the actual everyday practice, would you say that we already have far too great an attachment to ourselves than to others? And there is the risk that in practicing loving kindness to ourselves, that we could become very self-indulgent. Many of us already tend to be self-indulgent as it is. So what are the practicing techniques that we need to be aware of? What is the dividing line between self-indulgence and loving kindness to oneself?
就对了啦，当然是，他当老师这个是在是我让进这种，让这种这个啥的适当的让这种这个啥的适当让这种这个这么就让这种这个好像开场，让可能这个先就他是确实你就他去瞧，你就公共那种把这先去。나랑 거기서 머리를 매지는 않지. 애들 용어배 내나네 신속제. 사실은 그래. 영어 공부한 거라마다 많이 영어배들이 스스로나 개발을 해야 되죠. 이 개발 루스 영어배 머리를 매지봐. 영어 원교도 방송. 뭐야? 这咱借的咱借了70多，你看借了其他就是知道了，其他咱仅咱借了其他的咱老是这些的，确实借的，咱借了什么了？咱给咱两个交的3笔，借了其他的多吧，后来3个推，他给你。
Well, the kindness to oneself of which I was speaking is rather different from either self-fixation or selfishness. For example, the Buddha said, I have shown you the path to liberation, but know that its achievement depends upon you. In other words, we have to take responsibility for the achievement through our own efforts of liberation. And it is the undertaking of responsibility for one's own liberation that is what I'm referring to as kindness to oneself. What we normally mean by self-cherishing is actually not simply self-cherishing, because it includes within it, because it is exclusive, and therefore includes within it the implicit abandonment of the welfare of others and the rejection of any effort to achieve that welfare of others. So therefore, that's very different from what I mean by kindness to oneself. If we reject the idea of kindness to oneself altogether, then are we saying that it's acceptable to think it's fine if I'm miserable, it's fine if I'm afflicted by kleshas, I shouldn't do anything about it? Surely that is going too far. So what I mean by kindness to oneself is the endeavor to help or benefit oneself such that one will be able to benefit others as well.
刚好就是让这个让下去，对，他说让的先生或者他这个山子，让下去，这里就出这个街，这个让下这边把扎成个街，你把先生这里就好像就发现，就忙活着去，然后地的让下去扎成个。这边就让啥的就促突的东西，促突的这几个，我有点觉得让啥促突啥要先要的那个让出，然后这个让给他啥的这样日常里面先给钱了，不是，他那老师物给多少钱，物给多少钱，先给钱不是。这里你觉得这，他让要不是用物业的呢，先要不没用个人去，在那里后来是不是上物业的呢？上去呢，现在后来是上物业的，因为这上的后来这上的钱是差别了，你们这上的不会。那马先是拿起钱来呢，我刚才是没用了，这就是啥呢？刚才我可对那些上岸这边，从岸去来车，然后呢是，你就是这些呢，就是 랑데 지구로 대버지도 생각하고 랑 지구로 축축가 되어서 이 사바데 룰 랑 지구 축축해야 하면 그럼 아주 년다지 고유이냐 님의 거 년다자 이거 소소소 게 되는 나지 가서 이 소리에서 지금 다들 나지나 근데 년다자 시간 예전부터 니钱是这种结果，就是年大中啊，那有点就在那边呢，让速度的时候，让啥的钱是这种的，对呢，错掉了这个，对错掉了这个，第一上面的按照团呢，他的所属的上面他的话，上面上是农村的，让速度的这个，他的他说那样的大情况，甚至他们的大钱，其他还强拿些。나라 지구 마시고 그가 내가 지나 상황을 글로벌 가사 그거 나오게 아 네가 지나 상황을 하나자 야 내가 지나 나라 지구에다 우리사도 다 내가 지금 상황 제가 이 문제를 이내 상황 나가지 원래 랑기로 용어도 소화되기를 되고 뭐여이나 랑기 예벌의 예배 상황이 예벌의 예배 선제시다도 계속도 미적으로 봤어요. 개인이 뭐로 선다. 리빙 개인이 뭐 상황에 계속도 내가 상황을 다 하다가 랑다 시행라 파괴를 만들었어요. 랑다 시행이야 아장이 되면 같이 틀리는 저의 여지가 이후서 꾸미는 내지 상황까지 그 주어도 아버지 좀
The problem we have is that we mistakenly hold ourselves and others to be independent from one another. Specifically, we believe that our welfare, our well-being, is utterly independent from the welfare and well-being of others. Based upon that, we have this attitude that my welfare alone, these things are important, and others and their welfare are unimportant. We think that we ourselves are independent of others. This is my business. For example, it's when we say, "This is my business." But in fact, we can never really exist in absolute independence of others. Our existence is always based upon and dependent upon our relationship to and the existence of others. It is through the existence of others that we are enabled to exist. For example, without those things that produce the air we breathe, there would be no air and we could not breathe it. In that way, we always depend upon others and everything around us, and our well-being, therefore, our well-being or welfare depends upon theirs as well. If you seek to go to a restaurant to eat a fine meal, that depends upon the restaurant remaining open. If the restaurant is closed because it's lost its business, then that affects your ability to eat that supposed fine meal. In that way, there is no such thing as absolute independence. Even such things that we cling to as our reputation, that our potential fame, are dependent upon others, because it is in the minds and voices of others that our reputation consists. For example, people call me His Holiness and other things like that, and I have such a reputation or fame. But this is entirely dependent upon others. The mistake we make and this all this stuff and then I have to go watch the video to get to see it. The mistake we make is to think that we are independent of others and that therefore only we matter and others do not. And for example, if I went to an entirely uninhabited place, there would be no one to refer to me as His Holiness. In that way, my title, my reputation are all dependent upon others. An example of the practical difficulties that this type of mistaken thinking can cause is the global economic crisis, which fundamentally is caused by people thinking, I want to be rich. It doesn't matter if everybody else is poor as long as I'm rich. And that type of thinking produces things like this global economic crisis. So, in order to ensure our own well-being, we need to concern ourselves with the well-being of all of the beings that surround us and of all living things, because we depend upon them. And we cannot really separate our welfare from theirs. In that point of view, even our need as individuals for the welfare of others equals our need for our own personal welfare.
Yes, someone has a question.
Your Holiness, today you mentioned, and generally we know that there are these, let me just call it entities, like concept of Buddha and then the Bodhisattva. In terms of aspiration to be the Buddha, suppose I have to make an aspiration. Do I want to be a Buddha, hypothetically? Do I want to be a Buddha or a Bodhisattva? For me, these two entities are highly interchangeable. For example, a Bodhisattva can only accomplish his aspiration by becoming a Buddha to serve, to liberate everybody. Similarly, obviously, the Buddha has compassion for everybody. So, there are two interchangeable entities. So, in terms of, I cannot understand why we make this distinction between Buddha and Bodhisattva. They both have same aspirations and same everything. Can you please clarify?
Okay. You can ask me that. 다 그래야 그 다음에 전주 스타바스들은 한 공업수만이지 보디스타바 무산 보디스타 전주 전주에서 난다 대와 전주시고 예루가 선바 이런 유사가 너나 전주 등에 대한 제도의 제도기 가서 그래서 인지显真을 시력이 도산님을 인지显真을 시력이 도산이 그렇죠. 인지관의显真을 시력이 관의 도산이 아주 내지기 때문에 이제 근데 저기서 그러니까 그거지 너무 사람이죠. 지난 이거야. 显真 제가다 이제 나라요. 아 이래야 근데 전주서가 되지 근데 가서 가지 여기 쉬우지 제일 중요한 제일 타입 두고 와야지 이래야 아니 당연히 쉬우는지 나만 탄지 근데 상계가 나한테 태도에 네 제일 타라고 되셔야 나만 탄지 근데 네 상계 남쟁이 기시지 되는 게 뭐가 이거는 제일 파츠에서 파츠가 그냥 어디서 가면 참 네, 이제 현재는 이거 찍어야 돼. 이거냐? 내가 제일 처음에 너를 가사고 가서다 어디 가서 가서다. 나는 로션 가사다. 스튜디오. 아니 상계에 나가 다시 뭐 무슨 무슨 다시 상계에 제일 처음에 남게那么他这个理性，这的确他就是甚至他这个吧，但他这个类似上面的他这个方面，也就是上面甚至的告诉他，你要查询查完就是说，上面他这个方面注意，他这个方面注意的，也就是上面的这个，那你这个就是他通过嘛，现在现在他这个他通过。这个，但俺说的真的，那现在介绍的，就是说的现在他也要注册，俺说的就是多呢，太多了。你们啊，干啥的？就是上班上上街多用的，然后的，他说现在他请的是多多了，这个民族上现在他请的主要的上街红嘛，就就说了。
You're correct in saying that both bodhisattvas and Buddhas have tremendous compassion and tremendous wisdom. The term bodhisattva, of course, refers to a being who has the courageous intention to achieve the great awakening of Buddhahood. And this courageous intention, which defines them, has two aspects. It's compassion, which is focused on all beings, and it's wisdom, which is focused on perfect awakening. And in a general sense, of course, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas are similar in that both have this tremendous compassion and tremendous wisdom. And Bodhisattvas can indeed benefit beings tremendously, but they cannot benefit beings infinitely the way a Buddhist can. Buddhists benefit beings without limitation, beings without number and without matter, and without any effort, because of their possession of that omniscient wisdom of which I spoke earlier. So in comparison, we could say that the bodhisattvas are like students and Buddhists are like graduates. It is said, for example, that only omniscient Buddhas know all of the subtleties of each and every being's karma. And without knowing these things, in spite of the fact that from our perspective, what bodhisattvas can achieve is, of course, tremendous, without knowing these things in an omniscient manner, the achievement of benefit for beings is not as effective as that of a Buddha.
Holiness, you said that a Buddha, like you were saying even now, needs omniscience in order to understand the specific needs of every being, essentially. Then Your Holiness defined omniscience as the union of nature and appearance, meaning overcoming the distinction of the nature of reality and the way reality appears. Then Your Holiness also mentioned that interdependence the realization of interdependence has a role in wanting to help others. Can you connect more specifically the overcoming of the distinction between nature and appearance and the experiential realization of interdependence, these three factors leading to understanding the needs of all people? Thanks.
현재 중년의 남밖에 신는 사이에가 들어갔을 잠시쯤 예시 열다. 잠시쯤 예시에게 생이대 내랑 로직들. 제일 책 내랑 로직들 말이스. 양 전에 다 신님에게 텐들라 소파게 도pe거는 되는 또 그러마트네 다다데 내낭다 내낭 로직 바담 텐들 도파가 자바 이거
내가 가지고 되지도.
네.
내가 가지고 되지도.第一次，中国的就因为那些好多朋友个，他这中国的就一下子，也然后呢，那我的就都是。那这些就是罗面和这样，但中国天天这样，现在大家这个人就啥呢？那种新竹什么的，那我这些就是罗面，就是罗面和这样，东莞，不是，天天从这在讲，这他从这在讲的，他马上去，就是有的，他那边往那边都看见了。他这个中国是这些，南华这些是这些。那里面我有你几条条理呢？东华是啥的？主要的条理呢？当然就是当这些女的，在那个在那中国想是吧，越大了怎么样？因为呢，就越大了难心境，很多我有你去说恐怕是。我也那就不是肯定是多的，他是前女，不是在你要嘛的，他是热大有就三，我你没有就三，那得我东莞下的，热大有这些啊，因为我那是东莞市就三呢，所以是东莞山的，就讲我就写了谷歌的这个过程。东北你懂，咱这些东北你的路啊，这里是东北你户口是啥的？东莞是啥的？自罗是，那个自罗也在这呢，是完全是那个。那这就是啥？那就光户口去，那完全对于方言的家人啊、中人的生活，他们当然是自罗或者那个就是世界上各种集团的啊，那就是。户口只有一张，你叫做嘛，韩国人起码都来了，考出来，家长没有办法来考。韩国人生活经济就不多，你经济在这呢，到中国是户口去，还是一边的去，中国人多，咱们同学容易，同学差多。他开始我同学来的呢。最怕那娃子不对，电报出吧，出去一个出去这类型啊，这类觉得这他说的这国高是很大的，他好像经济呢，还有呢就差不多大好像，但是没看写的呢，土地，poisonous，土地的我在这。가사 가세의 세리나 꼭 도둑이 되어야 아사하세요는 매개는 시죠. 이 옷은 어제 가르쳐. 앞으로 전신 이 수주 내서라 하고라. 이제 두개 전신도 일단은 노하우를 조리해. 당시에가 두고 있는 거야. 저는 뭐 이제 유사 기준 때문에 전신 수주가 지금 유지하는 수주가 되면서 아가는 나와 제가 차고 이제 전신 여러 때 애들이 나오나서 샤워. 떼진 지중 이것은 떼진 지중 가서서. 아니 그러나 인구는 때문에 중국은 때문에 인구 조금 많다데 인구 산전에 주제요. 아주 인구도 지어만. 네 인구산은 인중이 이거에 대해 동반을 하고 하지. 인중이 이거에 대해人数도 주어야지 매. 지리들을 주는 거. 인구도 중요한 중국도 중국도 예, 누구지요? 예, 다들 지리들을 고하게, 인중도 동반을 고하게, 동대 인중을 고하게, 다 고하게 하지 마세요, 말로. 다른 상계에 살아야 하는 건가? 제대로 나공을 고하자만 해요. 나공 하는 것이다. 지지하고, 규지지하고, 하시다. 또는 비슷한. 얘네가 뭐, 와사리.
About the relationship between the single taste of how things appear and how they are, or of appearances and their nature, and interdependence. Essentially, we can say that the aspect of appearance is the infallible interdependence of appearances, and the nature of those appearances is emptiness beyond assertion. This is also what is sometimes called the unity of appearances and emptiness. Appearances being interdependent and emptiness, their nature, being beyond assertion. Nevertheless, while we can distinguish between these as isolates in speaking of them, they are not understood to be two different things, although of course they sound like two different things when you talk about them. How is it that they are not two different things? Consider a vase. For the Americans, vase. Vase. If you have the idea or concept of vase, but when you analyze a vase, you will not find it. You will not find anything. And can conclude from this that vase is a mere imputation. Because of this, it is said, whatever is empty is possible. Because the possibility of appearance depends upon emptiness. So in that sense, we could actually think of emptiness as a possibility. To give you an analogy, in that case, in that sense, emptiness is a little bit like zero. Because of zero, we can have 1 and 2 and 3 and so on. But we couldn't have any other numbers without zero. We have to start with zero. And in that sense, emptiness is possibility. If things were not empty, their interdependent parents would be impossible. Now we can determine that the mode of appearance of things is interdependent because it is not fixed. For example, something that is poisonous to one person, something that is poisonous to one person may be medicinal to another. If the poisonous quality of that food or whatever were inherent, it would follow that it would be poisonous to everyone without any difference. Now, the idea of the relativity in origination or derivation of appearances includes the relativity of all of the imputations that we designate based upon appearances, such as long and short. The concept or imputation short is obviously dependent upon the concept or imputation long, and vice versa. In that way, things are relative. And in fact, the mere appearance of appearances depends upon that relativity. And because those appearances are relative and depend upon relativity, they are empty. Now, because they have no inherent or independent existence. Now, this is the way in which we develop a conceptual understanding of this. But for a Buddha, this is an object of direct and simultaneous realization. Simultaneous, by which you mean by which I mean that he knows everything all at once, at every moment.
Yeah.
Lady in the back, last row.
Earlier you had mentioned that you must follow the 4 contemplations. Could you please repeat them?
The Loda Nampashi, Gong Gong Kanga. The joke is that I speak, for some reason, a kind of Eastern Tibetan dialect, and His Holiness is being humorous by speaking to me sometimes in that dialect. Anyway, the 4 contemplations are contemplation of the difficulty of acquisition of the freedoms and resources of this precious human body. Yeah, I'll say that again. Contemplation of the difficulty of acquisition of the precious freedoms and resources. The freedoms and resources of this precious human body. That's 1. The others aren't as long. The second is the contemplation of death and impermanence. The third is the contemplation of karma and causality. The contemplation of karma and causality. And the fourth is the contemplation of the defects of samsara.